Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to see Spotify top artist for me. To see your top artist on Spotify, we have two easy methods for you. First method, using Spotify Wrapped available annually. Open the Spotify app on your device. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Type Spotify Wrapped in the search bar. Tap on the Spotify Wrapped banner when it appears. Scroll through the Wrapped experience to find your top artist of the year. Tap on your top song. Then tap on the three dots. Then tap on Go to Artist to explore more details about your listening habits. Tap on the share icon to share your rap results if you'd like to. Last method, using Stats for Spotify third-party website. Open a web browser on your phone. Go to statsforspotify.com. Log in using your Spotify account. Once logged in, tap Top Artist to see your most listened to artists. Choose from the last 4 weeks, last 6 months, or last 12 months. So I choose 12 months. Then, scroll through the list to check your most streamed artist. Then, take a screenshot or save your results. These methods help you discover your top artist anytime on Spotify. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.